Okay, so I'm going to show you how to upload your music or a music video as an NFT to OpenSea. Once you have connected your wallet, I'm using MetaMask, then you can log in and see this create button up here and go ahead and click that. It's super simple to create your own NFT using music, image, video. So as a music artist, you can create these NFTs and even dictate how many copies go out. And I'm going to show you how to, provide additional value even in the description here. You can add what inspired you for this particular song or video, so you can connect with your fans too on a deeper level by adding those details. Okay, so I am going to open, I made a video, so I'm going to take my video and drag it over, and you can see my video, and I'm going to add my preview image, which is going to be essentially like your album cover art, and I'm going to drag that over. So now I'm going to name this. I am going to name this Soca Dodge because that's the beat that is basically playing the rhythm. So it's going to be Soca Dodge song, and it's one song. And then in your description here, I'm going to say Soca Dodge is enjoying the island's music and feeling optimistic about crypto as a whole. So then you can also add a collection. If you had this as an album, you would create your collection, add it there. I don't have that. And then you could also provide unlockable content. So this is what I was talking about when we say create additional value for your fans. So if there's something such as bloopers, snippets, added bonus content, you can toggle this on and you'll be able to add it there. So I'm gonna use the the Polygon blockchain. So that's just gonna let me increase the number of supply. So up here, I am going to type in 1,000 copies, and I'm gonna hit create. And we're just waiting for this to load. Okay. It says awesome. You created Soka Dodge Song. So now I can share this link. I'm going to copy this link and share it later. And here you can go here and buy it. It's that simple, guys. You can come on here and start adding your music videos, and as you can see, this is my Soka Dodge song.